Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey. So here is my playlist which is on which I'm uploading questions of lead code. See here, and then it is the videos. So in the last class, I uploaded the video of rotating the array. So in this, I discussed about rotation. Which rotation it is? It is right rotation. So today I'm making a video on left rotation. Okay. So if we understood right rotation, we also should know how to make a rotation on a left side from a left side. So this let's try to understand what's happening in this. So now here, yeah. So I have one, two, three, four, five. Okay. So now first what I need to do is this is my list, my numbers, and then k is equal to 3. So what I need to do in this is I need to rotate. Okay, in the last class how we have rotated is we have taken the rightmost and we have rotated and shifted to the starting. But now what I need to do, I need to take this first number leftmost, whatever the leftmost number is there, we have to take and we need to swap to the last, we have to bring it to the last. Okay, so now what it will be like, what will be happening now is yeah, I'm just telling you how we can do normally, like manual, how generally how we do that, and then later on we'll think about the logic also. So now this 2 will be here, yeah, 2, and then here it is 3, 4, 5, and at the 5 it is 1. So this is first left rotation. We need to do 3 times we need to rotate the array. So now 2 is now here it is again 3, here it is 4, 5, 1, 2. This is second left rotation. Okay, now again I need to take that first element and I need to bring it this side. So here it is 4, 5, 4, 5, and then here it is 1, 2, 3. So now this is third rotation, done. Third left rotation. So guys, done, we are done, and this is the answer. How we got this answer, we have generally did step by step, but if the array is really given very big, we cannot keep on doing, right? We need to write some logic for that, some program, that a program should give us the rotation. Yeah, so let's see what is the logic here. I'm just explaining you the logic first, and then we'll implement this code logic. So see here, first we need to do in that case we have reversed everything, but here no need to reverse everything. First k elements we need to reverse. Okay, so first reverse first k elements. Now I'm writing, I will also explain you this. First step is reverse the first k elements, and second point is here, second point is reverse remaining elements. It means n minus k. Okay, so reverse remaining elements. Remaining elements means n minus k elements. Okay, whatever n is there in that. So this is second one. Third one is reverse the total array. Okay, so these are the three. Now let's understand how it is. So my main array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now what it is, as per the rule, what I need to do, I need to reverse, yeah, and the k value here is there, k is equal to 3 times. So now what I need to do is reverse first k elements. First k elements means what? First three elements I need to reverse. So which one I need to reverse? This one. 1, 2, 3. So now if I reverse that, it will be like 3 and then 2. Yeah, 2 and then here it is 1. So I reversed and everything will be same. 4 and then 5. Okay. Fine. So we got it. So second step is done. No, this is original one. Okay, this is my problem. This is original array. Here is original array. Fine. Here it is the original array, guys. 5 here, and yes, here I'm just taking k is equal to 3. Now first step I have done. What is the second step is reverse the remaining elements. Remaining elements means this two, right? So k means how much? Total length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, from 5 you need to remove the 2 elements that we need to reverse. So here it will be 3, it will be 2, 2. This is 1. Okay. Now this two things I need to reverse. First it will be 5 and then it is 4. So I hope we are done with this. Second step is done. Now what is the third step? So third step is total element we need to reverse. Reverse the total element. So how we can reverse the total element is, first it will be like 4 here, again 5 here, here it is 4, 5, again here it is 1, 2, 3. So now this is the final output. This is the final output. It should be like 3 times we have rotated. So now these things only we are going to follow. Okay. So now here itself I am writing what will be the start. Start will be reverse the first k elements. 0 means 0th index, and then end will be what? K minus 1. End, because here the game is all about start and end. Yes, and then here it is remaining elements. So start will be from k and end will be from end is n minus 1, last. And then here total reversing, how we can do the start? Total means what? Start will be from 0th index and then end is equal to n minus 1. So it remains same. Finally we are doing the reverse. So I hope this is the logic, and then let's implement this logic in the code. Okay. So now what I will do is I'm just clearing that. I'm just taking L is equal to my numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay. And then here let me take a length. So total, what is the total length of a L? So what is the length of a L? N. I'm just taking it as a variable, and then here length of built-in function, and then here L. Now I got a length in the N. I'm storing it. Now what I need to do is I need to take a k. K is equal to 3, but I can also go with a percentile, because I don't, if there is a k is bigger than that. Okay. So directly k is 3 I can take, but in general cases I can go with a k percentile n if it is bigger. Okay. So here, yes, we can go with this when the k value is bigger, because we cannot keep on going with the same with all the iterations, right? In that case, now here I need to take a start. Start is what? 0. End is equal to how much? End should be start 0 and end is, because this is the first step. What I need to do first is k elements. We need to reverse the k elements. So k, yes, here we have k minus 1. Done. Now let's go with this. While we need to write one condition. The condition is start is less than end. Okay. Now if this condition fails, the loop should get terminated. Now here again I need to use the same line about for what, for swapping the numbers. Okay, so how we can do this swapping, we can go with the L of start and then comma L of end is equal to this end I will keep here now, comma, and then the start here. Fine. Now what I need to do is I'm just traversing what the start value, it has to keep on moving forward and end value should come decreasing in order. So start plus equal to 1, end minus equal to 1. That's it. Now I just wanted to print my L. So let's see what is the output. Here it is A. Yes. Now the output is 3 to 1. Actually we given 1 2 3. So this first 3 elements got reversed. Fine, we got it. Good. Now what I need to do is here. What is the second part? I need to also reverse this 2, right? Remaining 1. So for that I need to go with a start is equal to k. From k it has to start and end is equal to n minus 1 till last. So and in this everything will be same, this code. Now here print, again I need to print what, L, to check whether it is updated or not. So now here, yeah, 5 and 4 also got reversed. Good. Let me close this one. Yeah, so now I got it. Now next one is what, I need to reverse the total array. So to reverse the total array, start, what is the start here? Start is equal to 0 and end is equal to n minus 1. Then again I need to copy paste everything and then here I need to print it, print the array. Fine. Now let's see. So finally we got 4 5 1 2 3, means everything got reversed. Yes. So now finally this is the output for left rotation. Okay, so I guess you have understood. If you have not understood, you can watch this video once again, you will understand it in a better manner. Okay, so guys, thank you. This is our 9th problem. Yeah, and very soon I will be uploading 10th one also. So up to here you are watching, it means you understood something, and thank you for that. And definitely we are going to make some more videos for your practice. These all are things are for your practice, for your career, for your placements, at least small efforts from my side. So if you feel like you are getting some value, please do hit a like button, which will motivate me a lot. Okay guys, thank you.